In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your email to a contact form in Wix. This is an essential skill for anyone running a website, as it allows you to directly engage with your visitors. Whether you're collecting queries from potential customers or feedback from users of your site, having an efficient contact form linked to your email is crucial. So, let's dive right into the process and make sure you have everything set up correctly. First, we'll start by adding a form to your Wix site. To do this, you'll need to navigate through the Wix editor. Once you're in the editor, look for the Add button in the menu. When you click on it, you'll see an option for Contact and Forms. This is where all the form templates are housed. You can either choose from the available templates or create a custom form from scratch, depending on your needs. If you're just starting out, selecting a template is usually the quicker and simpler option. Next, it's time to customize the form fields. Click on your chosen form template to add it to your page. Be sure to think about what information you need from your site visitors. Typically, most contact forms will include fields for the visitor's name, email address, and their message or inquiry. You can add and remove fields as needed to tailor the form precisely to your requirements. Once you have your form set up the way you want it, it's crucial to configure the form settings, particularly the notifications. You'll need to select the form on your page by clicking on it, and then you'll likely see a small menu or option labeled Settings appear. Click on this, and you should find an option for Notifications or something similar. This section is where you'll configure who receives email notifications whenever the form is submitted. This step ensures that the right people receive the information necessary to give timely responses to your visitors. In the notification configuration area, you can specify which email addresses should receive the submission data. Here, you'll have a choice to add more than one email address if necessary. This feature is incredibly useful if you want multiple team members or departments to stay informed about incoming inquiries. It's flexible enough to accommodate various setups, whether the emails should go directly to you, a team member, or another valid email address used within your organization. Once everything is configured to your liking, go ahead and save your changes. Remember to test the form thoroughly to ensure solid functionality. Try submitting a test message and see if the notification gets delivered to the intended recipients. And that's it. You now have a fully functional contact form tied to your email. Setup like this can be a powerful tool for communication, helping you stay connected with your audience effortlessly. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.